Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering required documents: ID, latest payslip, bank statement, and proof of address. This saves time during the form. Once ready, open the Qwarta app or website and sign in or register with your phone and email so your profile is current. Next, use the eligibility checker and input the loan amount and desired term. This gives you an instant pre-qualification estimate, which helps you decide how large a home credit you can responsibly request. You now enter detailed information: employment history, monthly income, and regular expenses so Qwarta can assess affordability. Accuracy matters because discrepancies slow approval. After that, upload clear scans or photos of your documents. Use PDF or JPG and ensure all text is legible so automated checks pass. Then choose a repayment schedule that fits your cash flow. Review the quoted interest rate and any origination or late fees, and make sure the APRA matches your expectations before you finish by completing identity verification, either a quick OTP or a short video step, and explicitly consent to the credit check. This unlocks the final decision. Once approved, electronically sign the loan agreement and set up your preferred repayment method, like bank debit for on-time payments. This speeds disbursement. If funds aren't sent within the stated timeline, first confirm your bank details, then contact Qwarta support. Often a document resend or re-verify resolves delays quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.